Hey, today I'm gonna blast a small rock in my ditch, and I will use gunpowder. So I start with getting 10 grams of gunpowder. This gunpowder is what I'm normally using for making my own cartridges for hunting. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It will make me really happy. Today I'm gonna drill a 10mm hole in the rock, so it's using a small drill, and I'm using a cordless drill, so it's really tiny stuff. The rock is just too difficult to handle with my excavator, so I have a backhoe, so it's not the best thing in the world. So I will measure up this 10 gram of gunpowder, and I will go out and drill the rock. So, and that's it. Gunpowder packed, time to go. And here you can see the water that is in front of the rock. The rock is in the middle of the ditch and has been there for like ever. I have borrowed this cordless drill from a friend of mine. I can't afford this expensive Makita stuff. By cooling the tip in the water, the drill bit lasts a lot longer. I mean, it's 10 times longer than if I don't cool it. It takes forever with the cordless drill, but I don't have to bring all the stuff. So in the end, this is much quicker. After drilling, I need to get out all the... I don't know the English word for it. In Swedish it is kax, but it is whatever is left from the drilling. And you almost always get it in your face. But it needs to be cleaned out, or it will mix with the gunpowder that I will pour straight in the hole without any cartridges. Then I put my electric match in there. It's a really simple thing that it is not a real fuse, it just burns a little bit. But it works great for this purpose. Just making sure that I've been drilling deep enough and that I get my electric match in the bottom of the hole that I have drilled. And here comes my 10 grams prepared gunpowder. 10 grams is a little bit much in this one, which makes it a little bit not enough gravel on the top, so a lot of the power goes straight up. And after pouring the gunpowder in, I start with putting a piece of paper, and the piece of paper is just to separate whatever I use as a plug from the gunpowder. So I push that one carefully down, and after doing that, it's more or less pour anything in there. It needs to be heavy, so whatever comes from the drill is good. But I also used to put some wet moss or soil in there that makes like a clay plug that is difficult to push out. And this plug is really important, because if you don't get this hole plugged up and solid, it will just burn or blow out in the top, which makes no good blasting. And now the charge is complete, so it's time to hook it up to the cord. And the good thing with the cord to do is to put them together in the end, so there is no chance of there being any power or anything like that. And this cable is tending to become shorter and shorter. Every time I blast, I lose a yard or two. And there we got everything connected. So now it's time to blast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. And now in slow motion. And that worked pretty good. I could have drilled a little bit deeper. That would have blasted the rock a little bit better. But it cleared out the ditch. And here we can see about 100 kilo of rock moving over and clearing the ditch. And that's all for today. Thanks a lot and goodbye.